The Meteora Monasteries in Greece are a unique and impressive destination for travelers seeking a spiritual and cultural experience. Located on high rock formations, these monasteries offer breathtaking views of the surrounding scenery and provide a glimpse into the rich history of the region. Meteora is home to 6 active monasteries on the UNESCO World Heritage List. Each monastery has its own architecture and artistic treasures, including frescoes, manuscripts, and religious artifacts. Visitors can explore these sacred structures, learn about the lives of the monks who live there, and witness their daily rituals. Tourist traffic to the monasteries of Meteora has steadily increased over the years as more and more people discover the beauty and tranquility of this jewel of Greece. Travelers from all over the world come to experience the spiritual atmosphere and marvel at the incredible architectural achievements that allowed these monasteries to be built on seemingly impregnable cliffs. Whether you are a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply looking for peace and tranquility in a stunning setting, a visit to the monasteries of Meteora will be an unforgettable journey into Greece's cultural heritage.